that inner 12-year-old who remembers the thrill of riding our bicycles and roller coasters with our hands stretched straight out to feel the rush of air as we roll down the hills. The sense of speed and the dreams of flight. Let's celebrate the dreams and visions of the Wright brothers from Dayton, Ohio, who brought powered flight into our world on December 17th, 1903 in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Let's celebrate the dreams of each of the pilots and performers you'll see here today. The visions of the tremendous craftsmen.
Right here. Today is proud to be an outreach member of the Academy of Model Aeronautics, as it has long been a great way to introduce folks to the principles of flight, as radio-controlled model flying often one day transcends to full-scale model flying. Many of the pilots you'll be seeing flying later, including R.J. Gritter, got their introduction to flight through radio-controlled model aircraft. Giving us a little bit of a tail chase here. In addition to 19 pounds of thrust, that engine produces 168,000, yes, that's 168,000 RPMs. It runs on diesel fuel and consumes 13 ounces of fuel per minute. The Academy of Model Aeronautics is the world's largest model aviation association, with 190,000 members nationwide. Now with our remaining time, we'll have a bit of a finale here with all our pilots for AMA. Johnny Yaz, Doug Thompson, Steve Pickering, all great additions to the team. The aircraft they're flying are entry-level and easy-to-fly models, made for when you first start out in the hobby of RC aircraft. These are all a great way to learn and keep the costs low. Some also come ready to fly right out of the box they come in. And they can be found online or at local hobby shops, many of which are here in the state of Massachusetts, as well as New Hampshire and Maine. For help getting started, head over to the AMA tent just below the C-130 Hercules, that large gray 4-engine aircraft, where the team has handouts and information on where and how, located just below the wing.